Want to enable call recording on your iPhone in just a few taps? First, open Settings and tap General. Next, tap Software Update and install any available iOS update to unlock the built-in recording feature. If you are not getting this feature, open Settings and scroll down to Apps. Tap Phone to access your call settings. Inside the phone menu, find Call Recording and toggle it on. Now, whenever you make or receive a call, you'll see a waveform icon appear on the call screen. Tap that icon to start recording, and you'll hear an announcement that recording has begun. Tap the icon again to pause or stop the recording. Your recorded calls are saved automatically in the Notes app under a new note titled with your contact's name. Open Notes to view transcripts, playback audio, or use the Share button to export files. That's all there is to it. If this helped you, please tap like, share your favorite iPhone tip in the comments, and subscribe for more quick tutorials.